Bringing us some positivity.
Yes.
You did something actually really cool today. While we were bracing the elements, Lynn was indoors.
I was indoors for a little bit, and I got to read to a wonderful first grade class. This is part of Nevada Reading Week here in Las Vegas. Yes, they were so cute, Trisha and Abel. This is Miss Lanier's first grade class at Lucille Rogers Elementary School. They had so much energy, great questions, and the book that we read was really cute. T-Rex Time Machine, and I also have to give a big shout out to Giovanna and Hannah, guest reader escorts at Lucille Rogers Elementary School. They were such great hosts. They showed me around the school, so thank you so much for having me at your school today. As we take a look outside from our rooftop camera not moving around as much as it did just about half an hour ago, but it still can be pretty windy through the rest of tonight, Friday, as well as Saturday. That wind advisory has been extended until Saturday at 10 p.m., so just keep that in mind if you have outdoor plans, and pollen levels are really high the next couple of days. We'll be in the 60s once again on Friday as well as Saturday, and then warmer temperatures back our way on Sunday, and we'll have less wind as well, so that is the good news. 58 degrees was our low this morning. Our high today, 66 degrees, so just a touch below normal for this time of the year. We've been running pretty warm lately. Record 84 set back in 1972, and the record low 26, and that was set back in 1948. 62 degrees right now here in Las Vegas, 51 in Alamo, 61 in Mesquite, 60 in Pahrump, and currently 66 degrees in Laughlin. Wind speeds look like this. These are sustained winds, 18 miles an hour here in Las Vegas, 13 Boulder City, and 11 here in Laughlin. And we have another day of windy conditions across the region. Not as strong as today, but still noticeable out there. We're going to be outdoors, 16 miles an hour already at 8 o'clock, 17 at 10. And with temperatures on the cooler side, it's going to feel a lot cooler. We could see wind gusts up to 30 to 45 miles an hour here in the valley. Stronger winds in Laughlin, 36 mile per hour winds at 8 o'clock, 38 at 10. And take a look at 12, 39 miles per hour winds at 12, with wind gusts as high as 50 miles an hour. So yes, a lot windier down in that direction, all thanks to this area of low pressure that remains overhead, just driving those winds into our region as we're in between these two pressure systems here. We'll lose a little bit of that wind tomorrow, so not as strong as today, but still rather noticeable. And then we have another round of strong winds back our way on Saturday as this low sets up shop to our southeast here. And then by Sunday, as that moves on off into off to the east, we're going to lose a lot of that wind on Sunday, so that's going to be a better day to be outdoors, and temperatures back into the 70s. 24 degrees in Caliente tonight, 49 in Las Vegas, 38 in Pahrump, and 52 degrees in Laughlin. And with those winds blowing around, it's going to feel a lot cooler in the air temperature, so bundle up. 64 in Pahrump tomorrow afternoon, 67 in Mesquite, and 66 degrees here in Las Vegas. Quick look at your allergy forecast. Really high levels tomorrow through Monday when it comes to ash, elm, and juniper. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 69 degrees on Saturday, windy, and Sunday lots of sunshine, 77 degrees. And remember to spring forward. We'll be in the upper 70s to low 80s next week.